Hello there, my name is Herbert, and yours?
I'm Scout Trooper TV5179.
Okay, I will just call you Robin. Robin, tell me, what are the biggest problems of the Empire?
Well, please don't tell anyone, but our plans for the Death Star got stolen. So we have a huge security leak. And we have too few clones anymore to fix it. You know? Also, the real big problem is a lot of time pressure for a lot of different projects. And of course, there's the Rebels and the Jedi.
So we can translate those problems in problems our companies have. Well, maybe not the Rebels and Jedi part. And we tackle those problems in a very specific field, namely software updates and maintenance. So also our customer Livest faces some challenges. Livest is an internet and telecommunication provider in Upper Austria, and so they have many services in production. Not all of them get developed actively, but still they need to be updated and maintained. So, Robin, what do you think is the solution for that?
More clones?
Yeah, there are no clones in Austria. We do that with automation. So, let me introduce you to our tool stack. We use Renovate, Open Rewrite, and Red Hat DevSpaces, and we connect those things together with a pipeline engine like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD, or Tekton. But I want to show you in more detail how that works together. So, Renovate checks the versions and creates a pull request for us. As a reaction on that pull request, a pipeline is executed where we then execute the open rewrite scripts. Oh, and in this example, we use a Quarkus application and GitHub. So open rewrite is executed over the Maven Quarkus update command. We then create our own pull request because we do not want to mess with the pull request from Renovate. And after that, the normal build and test pipeline is executed. If everything is fine, we then can just merge the pull request. And on the next run from Renovate, Renovate closes its own pull request. But Robin, what do you have to do when the build fails?
Oh Lord, wait. I have to set up the workspace manually, locally, and that's a lot of time and it's cumbersome.
Yeah, we also automated that. So in case of failure, we can just create dev space where you can fix the code in a ready environment, push those changes, and do it as long as the pipeline is green again, and then we can merge our pull request. Robin, are you still with me?
Yeah, of course. Do you think I'm just another number?
Yeah.
But I don't really believe you. Can you show me the solution?
Oh, I will show you. So I brought you a video with me, a demo video, where we fast forward on the boring parts. So first, we execute Renovate. And Renovate will create the pull request for us. And here you see the pipeline where the post upgrade task, so Maven Quarkus update, gets executed. And here we have the new pull request where we want to update our Quarkus application from version 2 to version 3. The other pipeline runs, build and test pipeline, which will fail in this case. But the cool thing is we get a command in our pull request with a link to our dev space. We can just click on it. And now we have, or we get, the workspace. And the magic is defined in the dev file. Let's have a look. So in the dev file, we define our workspace, where we also can define commands which get executed, or we can execute, or even we execute it as a post-start event. So we build the application for you, and we also can run the Quarkus application. Here it is. So let's start the application. So you can see we can just work like locally. And let's make a small change to see that this is reflected. So now we can fix the problem here and push it back to GitHub, and if set up correctly, you do that with your credentials. Okay, but let's have a look what actually changed here. So not only the version from Quarkus gets updated, because of the open rewrite, we also update the packages or the source code itself. Okay? The pipeline is green. We can just merge the pull request. And on the next run of renovate, renovate closes its own pull request. So Robin, what do you think?
Well, so in the best case, I don't have to do anything at all. Renovate sees there are new versions, it updates the versions, then open rewrite will change my code according to the new versions and make everything. And if the build breaks, I already have my workspace, don't have to set up anything, can just fix it, commit it, push it, and everything is done.
You got it.
This will definitely help us to feed the rebels.
No! Thank you.